Good morning guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. We're doing what I eat in a day because I feel like it has been a hot minute since we did one of these. I feel like I've been getting a lot of DMs. I got like 3 and I think that's kind of a lot. Asking about like if I lost weight loss, whatever. I did. I lost like 15 pounds. I've been in a deficit for about 3 months now, and you're not really supposed to stay in deficits much longer. You want to kind of like take it back to your maintenance calories. I recently stopped tracking my macros again because I felt like I was getting a little too obsessive, and I've been down that road before and we're not going to do that again. I've also just been doing a lot of walking. That's literally been like my main form of exercise. I think I'm going to sign up at Orange Theory this week. They're doing like a 1-month free thing, so I was like, you know what, I always wanted to try it, let's just do it. So let's make some coffee. It's a little bit later now. I just went for a walk with Maverick and I've been working for a little so far today. You guys know the drill with coffee. Starbucks iced coffee, medium roast, unsweetened. And a lot of questions on these glasses. They're always in my Amazon links. You guys can find them. I think my Amazon shop link is like always in the bottom of my videos, so check it out. Almond milk, the only almond milk that you should be drinking because it's the best. Califia unsweetened vanilla, and then my Nut Pods toasted marshmallow. I've talked about these previously. I can't stop buying them. I buy the 3-pack on Amazon and it's like $12 maybe. I found them at Whole Foods once. I don't know if they still sell them. And don't forget to hydrate. I'm really good at drinking water, so you should be too, because it's very important. I drink about 6 Hydro Flasks a day. My biggest flex is how much water I drink. 4 Stevias. I like my coffee sweet. Don't judge me. Straws are also from Amazon. So I'm gonna sip on this. I need to eat. I have a meeting in like an hour, so I want to eat before my meeting. But I'm honestly just craving some Catalina Crunch, so we'll see. We're back in the kitchen. It's a little bit later now. I have my meeting in a few minutes and I'm like, I haven't eaten yet. I've just been working. When I ordered groceries the other day, I was like, I need some greens because I did a lot of drinking this past week and I feel like I really neglected my health. And I'm not a fan of these things at all typically, but I was like, I gotta get some greens in me. So this is the Evolution Fresh Organic Cucumber Glow. The ingredients are just organic cucumber juice, organic lemon juice, and Himalayan pink salt. So I'm gonna like chug this, but I'm gonna actually have a bowl of Catalina Crunch. And if you guys are like an OG, you know that's my shit. Not good. Health is wealth though, right? Love this stuff. Really love this stuff. Don't know why they haven't sponsored me yet, to be honest with you. This stuff is great. I'm not keto or anything, but it's just like high protein, low carb, there's no sugar, and it's really good. It's really, really good. And I will never stop eating my Catalina Crunch. It's not very sweet. Like I said, I like sweet things. I throw a little bit of stevia on it. You guys are probably like, Kaylani, you eat entirely too much stevia. I'm aware. Hello, Maverick. Would you like some of the banana? I'm sure you would. Here you go, babes. You want a bite? Yummies. I have a bunch of new recipes that I cannot wait to share with you guys for lunch and dinner. And it's already late. I never eat this late, but I've just been working and been very anxious today. Maverick, get off. But I am gonna go shove this down my throat because I have a meeting and it's with like a new client. So I will see you guys for lunch. So it's time to make lunch. I've been loving this salad lately that I've been making. It's very light, very refreshing, super delicious. We're gonna prep some veggies, some fruits, some tofu. I'm gonna fry some up in a pan with some coconut aminos and teriyaki sauce. For dressings, I'm going to do mostly the Thai peanut and honey and then a little bit of teriyaki sauce for some sweetness. This one is really good and the macros are really good if you care about those. All right, so we got our arugula, our veggies, and our tofu is almost done. It's nice and crispy. I'm just gonna layer on all of the things onto the salad. You guys have to try this. It's so delicious. It definitely reminds me of Hip City Veg, and if you know, you know. Should we add some feta? I think we should. We got our Trader Joe's fat-free feta. And then, finally, some sesame seeds, because what would an Asian-inspired salad be without some sesame seeds? Oh my goodness! I mean, doesn't that look so good? I'm gonna go take some pictures of this. This is really easy. It took me not even 15 minutes. So don't forget to take care of your body. Stop making excuses. If you say you don't have time, you do. You need to get back to work. I'll see you guys at dinner. Real quick, just popping in for a snack. So I was at home like last week and my mom was watching the Today Show. They had this like cook on there. This girl is making like these superfood bites. I would not consider them superfood bites, but they are good. What she used was a box of cake mix. That's why I say it's like not superfood. I really don't understand. A cup of water and a cup of applesauce. And you make them in the oven at like 325 in the little muffin tins and then roll them in like cinnamon sugar. So I made them with gluten-free yellow cake mix and then applesauce, water, and then I rolled them in cinnamon and stevia, and they're really, really good. They're kind of like little apple cinnamon bites and they are only 40 calories each. So I just had one and I'm having another. So that's my little snack. We're back in the kitchen. Today has been a bit of an off schedule day. Hello, would you like to say hello? Come here, show everyone how big you're getting. Yes, okay, ow, that's my earring. We're gonna make dinner, right? Well, you just ate, but we're gonna make, whoa, Maverick. We're gonna make some burgers and air fried cauliflower. Buffalo air fried cauliflower. These are the Gardein Ultimate Beefless Burger. Stop! Do you wanna calm? You want peanut butter? If anyone wanted to get a puppy, here's their glimpse. Okay, so here you go. Don't eat the spoon, promise. These have so much better macros than any Beyond Impossible, any kind of burger like that. They are 130 calories with only 5 grams of fat as opposed to like 18, which most of them have, and then 14 grams of protein and 6 grams of carbs. So much better. You just fry it up in a little frying pan, and then I'm gonna use, should I use these? I don't know. I have gluten-free dinner rolls. They're really, really fucking small, so I might not use these. I might just use like Ezekiel bread, honestly. You know what, let's do that. Ezekiel bread it is. And then cauliflower is really easy, and I'm gonna show you guys what I use. I just defrosted my cauliflower. The only thing you're gonna need for this is any kind of buffalo sauce. I'm using this. It's very spicy, so I don't use that much. I'm not a major spice girl, but I love buffalo cauliflower. It is Whole30 approved. Macros are great. I'm just gonna throw a little bit of this on there. We're gonna pop it in the air fryer for about 15 minutes. This is about how much I put on, but like I said, not too much because it is a lot. This is my grill pan, greatest thing in the entire world. We're gonna give this a good spray and put our heat on to medium. Wait for it to sit a little, and then we're gonna pop one of these on there, and it cooks for about 6 minutes. Ooh. We have some of the BioLife Just Like cheddar slices. Love this stuff, melts really great. Don't love the macros and ingredients, but you know what? Who gives a shit? Eat what you want. I'm probably gonna throw some arugula on it too. And then I'm gonna toast up my Ezekiel bread. Look at that beautiful plant-based burger. All right, it's time to assemble. We're gonna take our toasted bread, some ketchup, because I mean, like, what's a burger without ketchup? We'll throw a little bit of arugula on there, add some greens. You can never eat enough greens. Sorry, Maverick, you can eat that. That is our burger. I forgot the cauliflower dip. All I do is a little bit of vegan cream cheese and a little bit of the buffalo sauce. All right, and that is it. A beautiful, well-balanced meal. This is your sign if you're tracking macros and you've been super restrictive. Listen to your body and eat what feels good. We are back in the kitchen, heating up some water. I do tea in the microwave, like, don't judge me, but I'm about to watch The Bachelorette. I really just haven't had much of an appetite today, but I'm gonna finish off the day with one of these. My girl Whitney Simmons just put me onto them, and I love them. They last a really long time when you are eating them. I don't know why, but they're the watermelon agave good pops. Eat the whole box if you really want, and the only ingredients are watermelon juice, water, cane sugar, and agave nectar. Let me just get my tea. Also, how cute is my Leo mug? I got it from Urban Outfitters. And just having one of the Yogi lemon ginger tea bags. I have one of these every single night and I love them. So, final meal of the day. That's about it. Very excited for the good pop, not gonna lie. Oh my God, it's so good. Please try these. I get them at Whole Foods. But that's gonna be it for my what I eat in a day. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want more of these, let me know. If you guys don't follow me on TikTok or Instagram, I'm always posting my food on there. So follow me on there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.